Today we are going to see how to use cutting planes in Ficus. So let's see how it's going to do. So I'm have a part now. So I'll go for view. There is a cutting plane option, selecting that, and in levels you can see there is nothing. So you can use scroll bar to check the geometry, and by using Z coordinates you can create a cutting plane. So right now I'm using create cutting plane, so you can see that whatever you have selected the values and the option create cutting plane, you can see in the levels there all the values which is taking it as a cutting planes. So when you deactivate the uh, CAD part, so you can see the lines, cutting plane lines, so that it can be easy to visible. Thank you for watching.